Good morning, everybody. 10 years ago, Genealogia started the biggest transformation in the jeans industry. Sustainability will not be possible in the jeans industry without automation, without cost reduction, and without technologies that really provide a new aesthetics to the product. We need to get inspired by more modern industries like the automobile and electronic manufacturing. Industries where humans and robots collaborate together in the same workspace. Handman is the future of textile manufacturing. Two humans collaborating with two robots and 8 lasers, producing 10,000 jeans per day with zero waste. This is sustainable scalability. It's a revolution. Genealogia started this secret project, the Handman project, 3 years ago. And today is a fact. There are 3 manufacturing spaces around the world where 6 million jeans are produced every year. And this changed everything. This changed the relation between brand, retailers, and manufacturers. From a traditional transactional relationship into a real strategic partnership. For the first time, the brands will have the ability to communicate directly with Handman and with the production centers. The designers, whether they are in New York, in Tokyo, in Barcelona, or in Milan, will have direct contact with production centers in Bangladesh, in Pakistan, or in Istanbul. For the first time, consumers and manufacturers will be connected. Handman facilitates these new production platforms. The future of manufacturing starts today.